In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Lucidchart. This step-by-step guide will help you get started with using tables in your diagrams effectively. So let's dive right into it. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart website. If you already have an account, simply click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. If you haven't signed up yet, you can do so using your Google account for a seamless experience with just a click. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Lucidchart dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent documents. Open the document you want to edit by clicking on Open. If you're starting from scratch, create a new document instead. Now that your document is open, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the Shapes toolbar. Click on the Shapes tab if it's not already selected. Then scroll down until you see the More Shapes button and click on it. This will open a modal where you can search for additional shape libraries. In the search field, type Tables. This will filter the shape libraries to show those relevant to tables. Once you find the Table Shape library, tick the checkbox next to it. This action adds tables to your Shapes panel, making it easier for you to access them in the future. After selecting the table shapes, exit the modal to return to your document. Now from your Shapes panel, you'll see the table icon. Click on the table icon and drag a table onto your workspace. You've now inserted a table into your Lucidchart document. With the table now in your workspace, you can click on it and access various customization options. To adjust the number of columns, simply click and drag the border of the table left or right. Similarly, to modify the rows, drag the bottom border up or down to add or remove rows as needed. Next, let's highlight some text or cells within the table for emphasis. Click on the part of the table you want to highlight, and use the formatting options that appear to adjust the background color or border style for easy differentiation. If you need to merge cells, select a cell and then hold the Ctrl key while selecting another cell you want to merge with. Once both cells are selected, click on the Merge Cells button in the toolbar. You've now combined those two cells into one, allowing for larger content or connected data to be displayed seamlessly. Feel free to edit this table further based on your project needs to achieve the desired outcome. With these simple steps, you'll be able to quickly integrate and edit tables within your Lucidchart projects, enhancing the clarity and design of your diagrams. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in illustrating how to effectively use tables in Lucidchart.